So guys, as you have read from the title and the thumbnail, in this video I'll be giving you updates about the Tecno Camon 17. So if you're interested, sit back and relax. By the way, if you're new here, my name is Tayo and I make tech content like this, so subscribe if you're interested in tech content like this. And okay guys, let's get started. Kicking things off with the design of this device, in which this device will be made up of plastic, and considering the price, which I will be telling you towards the end of this video, I think it's okay because plastic is very durable. So when you drop your smartphone, you have like a rest assurance that your smartphone isn't going to get damaged easily, and the display is going to be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. As for the display, the Tecno Camon 17 will be rocking a 720p display with a resolution of 720 pixels by 1600 pixels in an aspect ratio of 20:9 and a total size of 6.55 inches. It will come right out of the box with Android 11 and iOS 7.6, and you should expect software updates since Tecno is now releasing software updates to their lower end devices. The Tecno Camon 17 will run on a MediaTek Helio G85 processor, which is a gaming-centric processor, coupled with a Mali G52 graphics processor, which is backed up with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, which can be expanded up to 256GB of storage using a memory card. And take note that in this video I'm talking about the base model of the Tecno Camon 17. As for the cameras, it should rock a triple camera setup consisting of a 48MP main shooter, a 16MP ultra-wide shooter, and a 2MP unspecified camera. Although there are rumors that it's going to rock a quad camera setup consisting of a 48MP main shooter, a 16MP ultra-wide shooter, a 2MP macro, then a 2MP unspecified camera. But hey, we would see whichever one comes out. And you also be getting an 8MP selfie camera. Other features of this device includes a 5000mAh battery, although we are not told if there is going to be fast charging support on this device, but I hope there is fast charging support on the Tecno Camon 17, 4G connectivity and USB Type-C. Now, as for the pricing, which I know most of you guys are probably waiting for, the Tecno Camon 17 should start at around $210, which is equivalent to roughly 79,000 naira here in Nigeria. Now, I don't advise you to take this pricing with a grain of salt since it's not yet confirmed, and based on the specs I'm seeing, I would say this price is probably too much for this spec. But hey, we'll see if the price will reduce, and just take this price sheet with a grain of salt. And with all that have been said in this quick update, I can't wait to see people's reaction on this device, and I would like to know, what do you think about this device? Comment down your thoughts on this device in the comment section below. I'll be going through them. And yeah, if you like this video, click on that like button, and if you love this video, click on that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, and catch you guys in my next video. Peace.